Hello, folks. You're welcome back. Welcome to my first commentary for the week. This is post NFP analysis for the dollar index and foreign currency, and I'm just going to take you guys through my top-down analysis on the dollar index and also what I'm looking at on the dollar, and why we should be looking at the dollar first is because the dollar index, like I always emphasize, is the benchmark asset for the dollar and dollar associated currencies. So clearly, as you can see, the dollar is very bullish. If you look at the monthly time frame, you'd see the dollar still resisting the breakers, or rather the mitigation block here, the bullish mitigation block. The dollar has been finding support at that level, even though we're looking at the dollar trading into that fair value gap, that internal range fair value gap on the monthly time frame. We like to see the dollar trade into that internal range fair value gap before we trade into the drawn liquidity residing above the old high here, and as well the drawn liquidity residing above that high right there. Okay, that's what I'm looking at on the dollar index. I would like to see the dollar first trade into the internal range before we expand one more time into that external range drawn liquidity, the buy side liquidity pool residing above that high, and the buy side liquidity pool residing above that high as well. A major hack for identifying draw on liquidity, like I emphasize in the mentorship, is when you see a fair value gap residing above an old high or relative equal highs. Again, those of you looking to join our mentorship program, all you need to do is to just go and search www.elitetradersprogram.com. You're going to see our mentorship program, myself and my friend Solomon King. We put up an effective mentorship program for anybody desiring to learn forex, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or you're a struggling trader and you're looking to take your trading from one point to the point of mastery and profitability. Just search the link on the description of the video, www.elitetradersprogram.com, and you're going to see the programs all together. One thing about our mentorship program is that you're going to have access to free signals in the mentorship community. Once you join and you're in the mentorship community, you're going to have access to free signal service. Okay, so I encourage you to take advantage of the program. All right, these are all the programs available. We have the Elite Forex program, and it's just $100, very affordable. We have the synthetic indices, fix 75, and other indices. All right, also for $50. Then the sniper Nasdaq strategy is very effective. It's for Nasdaq, US 30, and S&P 500, and the all-in-one package is also going for a discount of $200. Go through the program, go through the website, get to see testimonials right below here, get to see student testimonials who are in the program and have scaled up their proprietary evaluations, get to see withdrawals, get to see a lot of testimonials before you decide to join the mentorship program. If you are buying the course in Naira, all you need to do is to click here after you sign up. Just click buy in Naira and you can get the course in Naira. But whatever part of the world you're looking at this from, you can get access to the course. Very effective. Okay, that being said, let's go back to analysis. So like I said, we're looking at the dollar. Repricing into internal range fair value on the monthly before we expand into external range higher. So on the daily time frame, we're focusing on market structure, and what we see here on the daily is we see the daily had created a shift of market structure right here, and price had traded into the rejection blocks of the weekly time frame here. But if you look at the body of the candle, if you technically remove the candle wicks here, you would see that we are still obeying structure. This is bearish market structure. Price has traded into the breaker here, and we want to see this guy trade into the drawn liquidity on the monthly time frame. Also, I'm looking at this as drawn liquidity. You can see the relative equal lows on the body of the candle with also the fair value gap below that. There's a bullish other block right there. I'd like to see the dollar trade into that level before it creates a new structure to buy the dollar into the higher time frame drawn liquidity. So on the 1 hour time frame, we are looking at the 1 hour creating confirmatory signature. And what I'm seeing right now, this is Monday, and I see the 1 hour currently reacting of a mitigation block right here, and so for me, I'll look to sell the dollar into the drawn liquidity. In fact, I'll just start to sell the dollar, possibly look for confirmatory signature, just one more market structure shift. Once I see the dollar creates a bearish market structure, the body of the candle closing below that low and retreats into either the breaker or the other blocks there, I'm going to sell the dollar. This will be drawn liquidity. All of the relative equal lows here, or the diagonal liquidity right here, is also drawn liquidity. So while we are selling the dollar into the drawn liquidity, we are buying Euro USD, we're buying GBP USD, another foreign currency asset. Okay, if you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to click the subscription button, like this video, and turn up your notification bell so you stay updated every time I post a video on this handle. Those of you looking to join me on one-on-one mentorship, you don't want to join the general program, you want one-on-one and you can afford it, also find the link on the description of the video, and you're going to get access to myself or my personal assistant, and they're going to sign you up for the program, and it's very effective. All right, so I wish you all the best this week in your trading. Until next time, I wish you good luck, good trading, stay safe.